Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 7 maths chapter 1 exercise 1.3 question number 3. In the previous video I had explained you about question number 1 and 2. I hope all of you have understood about that integers multiplication and especially about the products of addition and negative integers and positive integers, right? In this also the same question is there, but one thing we have to understand is what, that if you are multiplying any integers with negative integer or positive integer, that thing you must know. See, once again I am giving you the information about the positive and negative integers. When your positive integer is multiplied with the positive integer, the result will be always positive. When the negative integers is multiplied with another negative integer, then the result will be in positive integers. When the positive integers is multiplied with the negative integers, the result will be in the negative integers. And when the negative integers is multiplied with the positive integers, the result will be in the positive integers. Right? So let's start question number 1. Okay? For any integers a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Question is very easy, just you have to understand. For any integer, means any integer you can take, positive, negative, any integer you can take, what is minus 1 into a equal to? So what you have to write in the a, answer of third a, answer third a. For positive integers, for positive integer, a into minus 1 is equal to minus a. Means when any positive integer a is for any positive integer, means if a is a positive integer means 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity, all are positive integers. Okay, so if you are taking any positive integer and then you are multiplying with minus 1, so the result will be minus a. A into minus 1 is equal to minus a. Here a can be what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Any digit means all the positive integers. Now for negative integer a, means for negative integer minus a, if it is multiplied by minus a, then the result will be a, because minus minus plus, right? So when you are taking a as a negative integer, then it will be a, but if you are taking for a positive integer, if a is a positive integer, then the answer will be minus 1. Understood? Now let's come question number 2. Determine the integer whose product with minus 1. Means already they have multiplied. The answers are minus 22, 37, 0. They have multiplied with minus 1. So which number was multiplied with minus 1? So they have got answer 22. Means what the second question wants to say? Second question wants to say which integer is multiplied by minus 1, so the result will be minus 22. Can you tell me which integer will be multiplied by minus 1, so the result will be minus 22? Very easy. If we will multiply 22 into minus 1, so the result will be minus 22. Second question is 37. Which integer is multiplied by minus 1, so the result is 37. Can you tell me? If we will multiply minus 37 into minus 1, so the result will be plus 37, because minus into minus is equal to plus. Third one is 0. Which integer is multiplied by minus 1, so the result is 0. Can you tell me? Any multiple which is multiplied by 0 means any number, positive number or negative integer, if it is multiplied by 0, so the product will be 0. So this was our third question. I hope all of you have understand. If you want to write in your notebook, then you can write in your notebook. If you want to take a screenshot, then you can take a screenshot also. I hope all of you have understood question 3. Now let's start question 4. What question 4 wants to say? Starting from minus 1 into 5, write various products showing some pattern to show you minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Here question is very easy, starting from minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5 till minus 1 into minus 1 they have shown you 1. Till write the product, till wherever the product showing the pattern is minus 1 into minus 1. Starting from minus 1 into 5. Minus 1 into 5. Can you tell me what will be the resultant value of minus 1 into 5? It's very easy. Can anyone? Minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. Right? Because minus into plus is equal to minus. Right? Now what we will do? Now we will do minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. Minus 1 into 4 is equal to minus 4. It will be minus 4 or not? If here you can see that minus 5, what you can write here, can you write these things? Minus 5 plus 1 or not? Because minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. So minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. Right? So if I talk about minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into 3, what will be the value? Can you tell me? Is equal to minus 3. Can we write or not? Yes. And here can we write minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. Right. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. Can we write here minus 3 plus 1? Definitely we can write. If I talk about minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. And can we write here minus 2 plus 1? So that will be also equal to minus 1. If I want to write minus 1 into 0, then what will be the value? 0. And here minus 1 plus 1 is equal to also 0. What I want to show you is that if you understand the concept, starting from minus 1 into 5, write the various products showing some pattern to show you that minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Here I have done nothing. As they have said into the question, minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. Right? Now here, after getting the value minus 5, now what I have done, minus 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 4. And for minus 4, I have to multiply minus 1 into 4. So I will get the resultant value minus 4. And if I will add 1 in minus 5, then the resultant value will be also equal to minus 4. In the third question, this third pattern you can see here, minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. And if I add minus 4 plus 1, then will be also equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. And if I add this 1 into minus 3, then the resultant value will be minus 2. Same here, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. But if I add 1 into this minus 2, the answer will be minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. If we add this 1 into minus 1, then the answer will be 0. So this was the question, but you have to understand the question what wants to say. Starting from minus 1 into 5, write the various products showing some pattern to show minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. This thing you have to show. This was the pattern and I have done this pattern. I hope all of you have understand. If you have understand, write these answers in your notebook. If you have not understand, then you can take a screenshot and you can wait, you can copy this answer. After copying this answer, then we will go ahead. Okay? Now let's start question number 5. What question number 5 wants to say? Question number 5 is telling that we have to find the product. What we have to find? We have to find the product. Product means, yesterday I had informed you about the product. Product means multiplication. Right? Multiplication. What is multiplication? Find the product using suitable properties. Question is, question number 5. Find the product using suitable properties. Now first of all, you should have a knowledge about the properties, right? Can you tell me which are the properties? Here are some questions. Like first question is 26 into minus 48. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36 into minus 36. Right? B question is, first of all, let's start solving question number A. There are total, I'm telling you how many questions are there. There are total question till G. But I am informing you, first of all, let's start with the A question, and after then we will start with the B question. See, first of all, you can see which property I will use in this question. It's very easy. See here, everywhere you can see minus 48 in both the sides, right? So if I multiply here A into minus B and plus minus B into C, so you can see here both the side B is there. See, if I take minus B common, then what will be there? A plus C, right? Are you understanding or not? You can write this formula. This is the property, right? After writing this property, you can do this question very easily. See here, 26 into minus 48 and plus minus 48 into minus 36, right? So what I have to do, I have to take minus 48 common. As I have taken minus B common here, similarly I am taking minus 48 common. So here what will be the value? 26 minus 36. 26 minus 36, can you tell me? 26 minus 36 is equal to minus 10. 26 plus 10, 36. So 26 minus 36 is equal to minus 10. Minus minus plus. And 48 10 are 480. This will be the right answer of first. In this question, you have to just use the suitable properties. If you want to take a screenshot, then you can take a screenshot. Otherwise, if you want to write in your notebook, then you can write the answer in your notebook. Now let's move toward the question number B. What is question number B? Question number B is 15 into minus 20, 8 into 53 into minus 125. B question. 8 into 53 into minus 125. This is the question. Now tell me, here there is nothing common and you have to do multiplication. This time is very dangerous, right? So how you will solve this question, can you tell me? Anyone? Very easy. It's, if you know then, right? If you understand it's an easy question, then it's easy. But if you understand it's a hard question, then it will be very hard, right? So what we have to do in this question is A into B into C. What is A into B into C? A into B into C. C is here minus negative integer. So what you have to do? You have to just suppose, if you are multiplying any two digit and you are getting answer in 0, means 100 or 1000 or 10,000, then definitely third digit will multiply and will get the zeros. So what I am doing here using the property A into B into C is equal to A into C, and then I am using B, right? So this property I am using here, this property, sorry. Okay, A into B into C is equal to A into C into B. So here 8 into minus 125 and into 53. What will happen? If 8 table, 8 5s are 40. 4 carry, 8 2s are 16 plus 4, 20. 2, 8 1s are 8 and 2, 10. So see, minus 1000 into 53. So if we will multiply minus 1000 into 53, so minus 53,000 will be the answer. I hope you understand. But if you are not able to understand, then remember that which type of property you will use, so you will get this right answer. I will give you some questions to solve, okay? You have to write some questions. After writing some questions, then you have to use your property by your own self, and after then you have to tell me in the comment box that you know how to solve or not. I will give you some questions till G or H. Here A and B I have solved. If you want to write these answers, then you can write this answer in your notebook. Otherwise, take a screenshot. After taking the screenshot, you can write easily. Okay. Now let's give you some questions so you can solve some questions. C, D, E, F, G, H. I will give you some questions. You have to solve this question. Question number C is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4. Minus 25 into minus 4. Can you solve? 25 4 is 100, minus minus plus. So 100, 15 into 100 is equal to 1500. Okay. D question is, okay, C is little bit longer, into minus 10 also is there, sorry. So here you can see 25 4 is 100, 100 into 50, so 1500 into minus 10, minus 15,000 will be the answer. Okay. In the D question, minus 41 into 102. Can you use any properties? It is also very easy if you want to use them. 100 plus 2 you can do. So minus 41 into 100, minus 4100, and minus 41 plus 2, minus 82. So minus 4100 and minus 80. So minus 4182 will be the answer. E question, 625 into minus 35. 625 into minus 35 plus 625 into 65 plus minus 625 into 65. So this was your E question. F question is 7 into 50 minus 2. Very easy. 7 into 50 minus 2. This is also very easy. G, minus 17 into minus 29. This is also very easy. And the last but not the least question, you can do these all the question by yourself. Okay, that's why I am giving you that you can solve this question by yourself. H1 minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Minus 57 plus, sorry, not plus, it's multiply. Multiply minus 19 plus 57. Minus 19 plus 57. I hope you have to solve all these answers by yourself. This is your worksheet, this is your homework, you have to do by yourself. If you don't know how to solve, then I will solve you in the next video. But you have to do comment that, sir, I don't know how to solve. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Your friends can also check. Thank you.